You will find a small table of brokers at the top. We will input our numbers here shortly. Below this is our profit and loss chart complete with zoom feature. Complementary plus charts are accessed via this drop-down. Further below is the bags area containing the current positions in my favorite stocks. Let's sell this one. Below the bags, you'll find trading history. We will consider this test data for demonstration purposes. After closing our test positions, we will then set things up to begin journaling fresh. Let's return to our bags and close a position, sell a stock. Input price sold in the trade automatically moves from the bags arena to history. The new trade is charted and profit, or loss, is accumulated. Bags can be input directly on sheet. All fields autofill except ticker, shares, price bought, and price sold. Use the Edit dialog for convenient form input and overrides. Select desired bags row, then press the Edit button to open the dialog. It too is designed for speed and includes helpful tools to calculate position size, scale out of a position, mark trade as rule break, or override the timestamps. Your comments can be invaluable reflection. Use the jive stamps to journal quickly. Let's close this position now.